Make $224,680 per month with this easy AI video TikTok Shop affiliate. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that could absolutely change your life financially. Imagine waking up in the morning, rolling over, grabbing your phone, and seeing that you made $579 while you were sleeping. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's happening right now for tons of people. And guess what? You don't need to be a tech genius or an influencer with thousands of followers. You don't even need a ton of experience. All you need is a couple of AI tools, a little creativity, and about 15 minutes of your time. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another side hustle? Does this one really work? Well, I'm here to tell you that I've done the research, I've seen the numbers, and yes, it's real. We're going to break down exactly how people are using AI to create simple videos that drive sales on TikTok and other platforms. And don't worry if you're new to this, because I'll walk you through each step to show you just how easy it is to get started. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to start your own journey towards making passive income with AI. Alright, so let's start with the basics. How exactly are people making money using AI on social media? It's actually pretty simple. Here's the rundown. People are creating short, engaging videos that showcase a product or service and posting these videos on TikTok and other platforms. These aren't just any videos though. They're quick, visually captivating, and designed to keep viewers watching. And the best part? AI is doing most of the work for them. When people watch these videos, they're drawn to the product. If they click on the Shop Now button and make a purchase, the creator of the video makes a commission. Now imagine if that video went viral and reached thousands or even millions of people. With the right setup, each view could translate into real money. But the genius part of this is that you don't need to spend hours creating content. Instead, AI handles things like script writing, voiceovers, visuals, and even captions, allowing you to create high-quality, engaging videos with just a few clicks. All you have to do is pick the right product, use AI to create a video, and let the system do its magic. Step 1. Choosing the perfect product. Let's get started with step 1. Choosing a product. Now this is probably one of the most crucial parts of the entire process. The product you choose should be something that people are excited about, a product that grabs attention and resonates with your audience. I recommend going for something popular like health supplements, trendy gadgets, or even unique lifestyle items that solve everyday problems. Can make this process super easy. Shows you exactly what's selling well on platforms like TikTok. You can sort through categories like health or gadgets to find top-selling products. From there, pick one that you think would appeal to your audience. Let's say you decide on a popular health supplement, like a natural energy booster or skincare product. Why health supplements? Because they're in demand and tend to get a lot of attention on social media. Once you have your product, don't overthink it. The faster you move, the sooner you can start seeing results. So now that we've chosen a product, let's dive into step 2, creating your video. Step 2, create your video with AI tools. Alright, now that we have our product, it's time to create a video that will catch people's attention. But don't worry, you don't need a bunch of expensive equipment or editing skills. We're going to use InVideo AI, a tool that simplifies the entire process. This software can handle everything, from writing the script to creating visuals and even adding a voiceover. Here's how it works. First, you type in some key information about the product, like its main ingredients, benefits, and target audience. InVideo then generates visuals, a voiceover, and even a script based on what you input. Let's say our product is a natural energy supplement with ingredients like green tea extract and ginseng. InVideo will use this information to create a video that highlights these ingredients and explains the benefits in a simple, engaging way. One thing to keep in mind is the hook, or the first few seconds of your video. You want to capture people's attention immediately. Sometimes the AI-generated hook is great, but if you're not satisfied, you can tweak it. Think of a powerful opening line like, "Want endless energy without the crash?" Or, "This one supplement could change your mornings forever." Adding your personal touch here can make a big difference. Step 3. Boost your visuals. Now let's make your video pop even more by adding some high-quality images. Great visuals are essential for grabbing attention on platforms like TikTok, and with DALL-E, an AI image generator, you can create stunning, unique images that perfectly match your product. For example, if our product is an energy booster, we might want a high-resolution image of someone with a radiant, energetic look on their face, holding a smoothie. Or if you're promoting skincare, go for an image that shows glowing, flawless skin. DALL-E can generate these types of images in seconds. Once you have your image, you can upload it directly into InVideo, and the software will insert it at the perfect moment in your video. And trust me, these eye-catching visuals can make a big difference in getting people to stop scrolling and start watching. Step 4. Connect your product. Now it's time to make sure people can actually buy the product directly from your video. This step is essential because it's how you make money. On TikTok, there's an option to add product, which lets you link your video to a product page. So when viewers watch your video, they can click on the link and go straight to the product. Once you've uploaded your video to TikTok, simply click on Add Product, select the product from your shop, and link it. Now when someone watches the video and gets interested in the product, they can click right there to buy it, and every sale, that's a commission for you. Step 5. Post and track. All right, with your product linked, it's time to post. Here's where it gets exciting because as soon as it's live, you can start seeing the results almost immediately. TikTok Analytics will show you exactly how many people are watching, liking, and sharing your video. And the best part? It tracks clicks and sales so you can see how many people are buying. You might see results instantly, or it might take a few hours to pick up steam. But when it does, it's awesome to watch the views and engagement climb. And if people are clicking on the link and making purchases, that's your hard work paying off. Remember, patience is key. Some videos will take off, others might need a bit more tweaking. But with each post, you're learning and getting closer to creating that perfect video that drives tons of sales. All right, before we wrap up, let's talk about a few tips to help you maximize your results with this AI side hustle. First, consistency is super important. If you're able to post a couple of videos each week, you'll keep your account active and increase your chances of reaching more people. Next, don't be afraid to experiment with different products and styles. If you find that health supplements work well, try a few variations. And keep an eye on trends. AI tools make it easy to produce content quickly so you can pivot when you see something new taking off. Finally, let AI do the heavy lifting. These tools are designed to save you time so you can focus on what matters most, finding the right products, creating compelling videos, and engaging with your audience. Working smarter, not harder, is the name of the game. All right, let's recap the steps you need to follow to make this AI side hustle work for you. 1. Choose your product. Use tools like to find trending products. 2. Create your video. Let InVideo AI create a professional video for you. 3. Enhance with AI visuals. Use DALL-E to generate attention-grabbing images. 4. Link the product. Add your product link so viewers can buy directly from your video. 5. Post and track results. Monitor your analytics to see what's working. With these steps, you're well on your way to earning real income from a side hustle powered by AI. And the best part? You're setting yourself up to earn passively with just a few minutes of work each day. So, are you ready to dive into this new AI side hustle? If you're excited to try it out, hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed, and drop a comment below. I want to hear what product you choose for your first video, or if you have any questions, I'll be reading and responding to as many as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, with AI by your side, you've got the tools to work smarter and live better. Until next time, happy hustling, and let's make some money together.